You can use your Alphaeon credit card with other things. You can use it with the orthopedics. You can use it getting eye surgery. You can use it for dental. You can use it with the dermatologist. So yes, you can use the Alphaeon credit cards for things other than just plastic surgery. You don't have to just get plastic surgery to be able to use that card. So yes, you do have other options out there. Let me show you guys what I was looking at for this card. Okay, here it is here. And let me show you the word I couldn't say y'all, but not judge because I just did not want to know what it is. I honestly, you guys, like I really feel like I have a lot going on right now. Like kids are out of school or like sick. With me doing this many questions, like at some point I just don't want to think no more within the day. Like, I'm always thinking about, okay, can you do this? Can you do that? Look, talk to all these people. And I'm just like, hey, listen, I don't want to think no more. Rickita, well, how do you do this? I don't know. I don't even want to find out either. But let me show you. Let me show you. So let me show you. Okay, so here it is here. So here is the word I was talking about, but you can use it with the dentist, the dermatologist, plastic surgery. We already went over that. And I looked up the doctor locator. They already have Kissimmee in here, so we're going to just keep that in there. We seen dental here, orthopedics, so you can go there. The Eye Institute, I forgot to say that in that smaller clip I was doing. I forgot to say that. Oh, anesthesia maybe? Laser? Oh my gosh. I didn't know you can use that with laser. I think that's what I was trying to do before. I think I was trying to do some type of laser and they were saying I can be able to use it. But I think I wanted like a promotion, I got like the 0% APR and I don't think that they was able to give it to me. I don't know what was going on, but I never got it. So that's how I don't know what I got. So yeah, you can use that other